Even the traffic even stopped to try to break the fight up.
Gotcha.
But the boys in the white car, they just wouldn't.
Police in Florida responded to a 911 call on December 9th, 2022. The caller reported to the police hearing multiple gunshots and fighting.
Anyone got a gun on them or a weapon? Alright, everyone line up right there. What happened? Hey, I didn't put your hands down. Keep them up. Hey, you listen to me. Keep your hands up. Now line up here. Can you advise that we have you guys? Line up here. What's going on? What happened? What's going on? Alright, everyone turn around so I can see you guys don't have any guns on you. Hey, let them know we're on the Douglas entrance.
Copy on the Douglas entrance.
Everyone keep your hands up!
Hands up!
Hands are up!
It's not you. Okay, we're here because someone said they heard a gun and a bunch of kids fighting.
You guys hear any gunshots or shooting anybody or anything like that? You guys fighting anybody? Listen, we're gonna pat you down one by one, all right?
No fighting, y'all was the one fighting.
When you're getting done, pat down, you can sit on the curb. Have them sit on the curb. Hey, but he pat you down, you can sit on the curb now, all right? You can put your hands down and sit on the curb. Everyone sit down until we figure out what's going on. All right, so nobody knows what anything going on because we have a 911 call and people said there were shots fired and people are fighting and whatever.
I wasn't fighting. I didn't see nobody else fighting or heard gunshots.
Charlie 5-1, you get 10-8 the air.
10-4, air 10-8.
So no one's gonna tell us what happened. Just so happens a bunch of kids were fighting. You guys happen to come out at the exact spot where they were fighting. We have no idea what happened. Sorry?
Just walking from over there.
All right. You guys have your IDs on you or no? Anyone have the ID?
Another call of ICE-10 black male physically fighting. That's good on 136. Juvenile fighting, 16 to 17 years old.
Y'all not telling me the truth.
Yeah.
Describe y'all to the T.
Just for your 43, when you had the air 10-3, I believe the guy on the motorcycle just went down eastbound on the parkway. He was going at
Just hard copy. He's found on the parkway.
Alright, so y'all ain't telling me, y'all not telling me the truth. Because these people just described y'all to the T.
just for your 43, when you had the air 10-3, I believe the guy on the motorcycle just went down eastbound on the parkway. He was going at
So let's go see. Watch out. What's your name?
I've never been through a crossfire like that. Yeah, my nerves.
You okay?
Yeah, it was the black guy. He had a black mask on. He jumped in the back.
Were you in the car?
I was trying to get the tank.
You okay? It's okay. At least nothing happened to you, okay? That's what matters. That can be fixed. Patient? No, there's no. Patient? Yankee 2110.
So let me call you right back. Let me get
We have a patient.
54. So the car got hit in the front quarter panel.
Okay.
And they're good. She's shaking up.
She in the car now?
Yeah, her and her.
Okay.
Oh, Lord. They left their clothes on the ground and everything out there.
Yeah.
They took their shirts off and threw them on the ground. And even the traffic even stopped to try to break the fight up.
Gotcha.
But the boys in the white car, they just wouldn't stop. They just started shooting and then speed up down the road.
Was there more than one shooter, or?
No, it was the one skinny black guy with the face mask on. He was the only one I seen pull the
He's the one
gun.
that got into the white.
He's the one got in the white off him in the back seat.
It was an Altima? Or
It was a white Nissan Altima with dark tints. It looked like a Florida State tag, but it had the cover over, like a plastic cover over it.
Anything other than that? Black rims, dents?
No, irregular rims.
And any of these, the ones that are walking this way, you saw them there, or?
No, these guys wasn't there. No, they wasn't there.
What's your cell phone number, man?
786-372.
Got one round in the front quarter panel of this car. Yeah. So it happened on Douglas, right? Sorry.
No, it happened in the complex right here when you at the little guard gate.
Yeah.
It was right there
Right
at the
there.
guard gate. But it's cameras there, so I don't know.
So
if
you
the
were
cameras
driving, or were you stopping? Where were you exactly?
I was coming in, and when I saw all of them, I saw the kids taking up their shirt up. I said, "Y'all be careful out here. It's crazy out here." Next thing I know, I just saw them just stop fighting. I was like, "Y'all stop, no fighting." And then that's when I saw the guy go on his pants in the front and pull the gun. And I was like, "You know what? Let me back up." I see a gun. I started backing up, and I just heard boom.
Was he slim build, black male? Slim build?
Yeah, really slim, just like you.
High height?
It's really slim, just like you. He had the black cover mask. His boxers had like some type of emojis on it. He had some colorful black boxers with
You
yellow
said
in it.
slim build, all black, and he had a face.
He had a face mask.
Security at the box stated that juveniles
All right, son.
after the shot rang out, kind of ran to the fountain on the east side entrance.
But I knew it hit my car because I heard it. I heard the bullet hit my car.
Southbound.
It's on that
So
side, in the
unsure
front by the tire.
I saw him throw a firearm or anything like that.
And did you see anybody on a motorcycle do anything?
The guy on the motorcycle was tall as well, slim. He had a helmet on. He had a lime color green pullover sweater on.
Okay.
And when the people in the traffic stopped, and they was like, "Stop!" He jumped on the bike, made a U-turn, and went straight down Douglas.
But you didn't see him shoot?
No, he wasn't shooting. Only the one guy.
Only
He
that
was the
one.
only
The
one
white
who pulled the gun.
Okay.
All the other boys just jumped in the
With the
air.
emoji boxers.
Yeah, he had some black boxes with yellow colors in
Who
it.
called out the accident with a motorcycle?
No, Flaco saw one, but he couldn't see what color the guy was wearing. So
I think somebody just called a motorcycle accident.
Yeah.
there was an accident. She just saw one going eastbound.
Yeah, but I think she said one went down.
Went down.
Unless she...
On the parkway.
Went
Unless
down
she
the
should
park.
say like that.
yeah, going down. Yeah. When
If he had a lime color green, then that's him.
I was
He's the
gonna
one
say
that's-
so we can check if it's him or not. But now I'm getting what she said. When
Officers are unable to locate and identify the gunman. The group of young men that appear at the start of the video are not present during the gunfire. We appreciate you watching, and don't forget to view every other video on the channel.